Even after watching all the car reviews on the internet, it can leave you confused as the pros and cons of the car are all over the place. So, we are giving it to you straight on why you should and should not be buying this car. Tata Nexon EV. It also got its attention sharing the resemblance to the fuel-based Nexon. But does it share its right quality and comfort? And what does it have to compete in the electric vehicle segment? So let's find out quickly with 10 things why you should buy this car. Nexon is a well-built car. It also got a 5-star safety rating in the crash test earlier. It is a fun to drive car. There is no lag and the car pulls cleanly. If you get careless in pressing the pedal, be ready for the wheels to spin out. The suspension is well tuned. The car is comfortable over rough patches and the handling is equally good. Body roll is well sorted. I found it less bumpier than the diesel Nexon. The 8-speaker music system will definitely please the majority of the buyers. When compared to its competitors, a starting price of Rs 13.99 lakhs makes this car the most valuable for money. Interiors are good and feels nicely put together with a combination of glossy black and beige colors. Nexon is decently feature loaded with tire pressure monitor system, rain sensing wipers, cruise control and much more. The ground clearance of 205 mm is more than enough to tackle the bad roads with ease. The main advantage of Nexon EV is the low running cost of an electric vehicle. The paint scheme and the color choices have been tastefully chosen. It looks good in all the 3 shades available. Those are the 10 things why you should buy this car. Now let's move on to the things which you should look out for. The real world range is around 250 km in D mode, but if driven spiritedly in S mode, it drastically comes down to below 190 km and it will drop even further if driven aggressively. There are few noticeable small panel gaps and rough edges. The ergonomics could have been better. For example, the placement of the 12-volt socket or the driver's side handrest and few more. Tire noise and the whine of the electric motor is audible as the engine noise is absent. As a safety feature, electronic cutoff to avoid wheel spin should have been provided. Upgrading to a better tire is very much recommended. The stock tires lose grip much earlier than the chassis give up. White door pads or white leather seats on the top trim will require regular attention to keep them clean. Since electric cars are new to the Indian market, the long-term reliability is unknown for this car. Auto up or down on the driver's side power window is missing. The high floor pan in the middle of the rear seat obstructs the comfort of the passenger seated in the center. So these are the things that you should be considering before buying the 2021 Tata Nexon EV. If you would like to watch more related videos, please subscribe to AutoShare India and also press the bell icon to get notified on our new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.